What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 36 Garage. Thanks for tuning in again on a Sunday. I'm gonna try to keep this video short. If you guys watched my previous video, I was talking about the excessive negative camber in the front. We're gonna be fixing that today because I just bought a new camber plate. My BC camber plate is maxed out, so I bought a new one from SRS Concept. See here, you got some stickers from them. So this camber plate is made to order, so if you want to order one for yourself, measure your camber plate and then send in the measurement to SRS Concept. The two measurements needed to be taken are: one, the camber adjustment bolt spacing. This must be measured center to center. And two will be the width of the large center slot. That's all you need to measure. I haven't opened this up yet. I opened up the box but never unraveled the package. Didn't even need a razor. I guess I'll take that back. I do need a razor. Wow, it's pretty nice. Alright guys, finally got it open. These looks amazing. This is fully billet CNC. It's made out of T6 aluminum. Pretty nice. Yeah, so they do come with hardwares, which is these Allen head here. Everything is all in like shiny aluminum, so I guess you can just get this powder coated if you want to, but I think I'm fine with how it is right now. So yeah, not too bad. Just want to give you guys a close up at it. Alright, so you can see this is fully CNC and it is a T6 aluminum. Like I said, they only come with this aluminum finish. There's no like a color that you can choose from. But yeah, they're pretty nicely made. I don't see any flaws on here, but yeah, they do come with hardwares. Come with this Allen bolt and a washer as well. So pretty cool. Doesn't label left or right, so I guess either side works. But yeah, so the good thing about this camber plate is that unlike the, what do you call it? Shit, forgot already. Damn. Oh yeah, that's right. SLR. Unlike SLR camber plate, this one doesn't require you to notch the tower here to get more camber adjustment. So with this, it sits below the this shock tower here, so you can slide the camber adjustment back and forth without hitting the shock tower or without trimming this part off. But yeah, that's the only reason why I got this over the SLR. Alright guys, so let's get started with the installation. First off, you want to crack this camber adjustment bolt loose before you start doing anything else, because once this is out, it's going to be hard to loosen these. It's not going to be super difficult, but just to make life easier, just crack these loose before you start unbolting these nut. Oh shit, it's tight. I'm just gonna leave one on just in case this falls down. That way there's a nut here to catch on. The control arm is a bit too stiff, so it looks like I'm gonna have to unbolt the whole coilover. If you have a stock control arm, you don't have to. Just unbolt the 3 nuts on top and you should be able to push it down a little bit. But looks like I gotta have to unbolt the whole coilovers. Oh yeah, that's right, I already took that off. Oh, there you go. This is the nut I was looking for. Easy peasy. There you go. Now it just falls down. Yeah, see this control arm, the ball joint, it's just way too stiff to be able to move it. I tried to lubricate it. I sprayed WD-40 and all that, but it still wouldn't help. I mean, it's what you get when you buy a cheap angle kit. The ball joint, the hand joint, it's just not as smooth as you want it to be. Whew, finally got this bad boy out. All right, so you can see here, this is the BC camber plate, just a simple camber plate, side by side, SRS Concept and BC. This one is actually a camber and caster adjustment. These are the caster adjustments here. You can see these bolts here, camber adjustment, caster and camber adjustment. So yeah, we're gonna be taking off this top hat, just on both these 4. You're gonna be using the bolt from this one, from the BC, to bolt this down, bolt this new top hat down, and then the provided bolt will be for the right here for the caster. This is how you want to install it. You want this groove here to be facing out. So if this is the driver's side, okay, I'm sorry, not driver's side, passenger side, this side here would be facing the fender. Going towards the inside would be towards the engine, so you want towards the fender side. So let me get some screws. So yeah, like I said, you'll be using the screws that came with the BC. I'll just loosely put it on just so I can install it onto the car. All right, top hat's ready to go. Let's get this bad boy onto the car. The SRS Concept top hat is a bit thicker than the BC's, so you're gonna have to adjust the coilovers just to compensate for this thickness. Totally forgot about that. Alright guys, so I got the coilovers back on and I want to show you guys this. So like I was saying, the top hat for the SRS is a bit thicker than the BC. That will require you to shorten this shock, this lower shock here. This is what I was talking about, this top bolt hole and the 2 lower ones. In order to get these to line up, you gotta shorten this shock. So just simply loosen this collar and then just screw it in until these holes are lined up. For the caster adjustment, counterclockwise would be positive caster, bringing the front wheels towards the front of the car. Clockwise would be negative caster. So I want a little bit of positive caster, so I kind of clocked it a little bit. Hopefully that should be enough, but I'll play around with it. And as for the camber adjustment, all you gotta do is loosen these bolts and slide back and forth. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Just gotta play around with the settings on here. I've already got the other side done as well. Alright guys, so both camber plates are on. Now it's time to throw on the wheels and make any adjustments needed. So I got the car back on the stock wheels and I gotta say, man, it looks pretty darn good. Check that out. Whew. That camber plate definitely took a lot of the negative camber out. Check this side out. I mean, there's still slight camber, but it's not as how it was before. This shouldn't be a problem with safety check. I mean, last time it looked like this, like a pyramid. But yeah, I should have no problem getting this to pass safety check. I'll show you guys again how it looked. Passenger side, driver side. You can see it. This is why I like it so much, because it just looks almost factory. No need notching the tower. Now I can actually install my the strut brace. See if this fits. Bam! Oh shoot! Gotta take this off first. But yeah, it fits. Yeah. Looks good. What do you think? Strut brace or no strut brace? Comment down below. Check out Jason's soccer mom wagon.
Looks better than your car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and it runs.
His car runs too? What you trying to say?
Sure.
He's just a hater, guys. That's all he do is hate on my car just because he got a VW and I got a BMW. Take a good look at the face of a hater.
What do you call that? I'm just
hey, don't touch me.
I'm just
harassment. What?
I'm a disappointer.
You disappointed?
Yeah, disappointed
in your own car?
This
Or?
car.
You disappointed in that car? Wow. Sell it and part it out.
I feel bad for this car.
Feel bad for this?
Yeah.
Why so?
It just sits. It doesn't drift. And all the content he shows you is nothing but unentertaining.
Don't listen to this nonsense.
Comment,
He's just a jealous
comment if you
VW owner.
Comment
But
if you want to see him drift.
I will.
Yeah, sure.
I will.